Hello guys, welcome to tutorial. Today we will model the plant and the vase, so let's get started. First add a cylinder that will be the base for the vase. Now cut the cylinder in half by knife tool by pressing K and then enter. Note that keep the edges in cylinder to 16 or low, as this is a low poly model. Now enter to X-ray mode and select one side all the faces and delete them by pressing X. Now scale it down on X and Y axis to make it thinner. Now add a few loop cuts by pressing Ctrl R, one at the top, one at the middle and two at the bottom. Select the bottom loop and move it inward to make it a little rounder at the bottom. Select the cylinder by pressing A and drag it to the cursor. You can either do it manually or pressing Shift S7. Now add a round curve by pressing Shift A. Scale it down as to match the size of a normal vase by pressing S. Now add an array and curve modifier to the cylinder and select the curve in the curve modifier. In the array modifier, increase the number to cover the base of the vase. Also rotate the cylinder 90 degrees in the edit mode so that its cut half faces inwards. Now add a subdivision modifier and shade smooth the vase. For modeling the plant, add a circle and scale it down. Now play with it a little by extruding, scaling and moving it around until it looks like a leaf. As we have discussed the short keys in the previous chapters, that E is for extrude, G is for moving and S is for scaling. After modeling the leaf, add a subdivision modifier to it and shade it smooth. Now add an array and curve modifier to it. Also add a round curve, scale it down and select the curve in the curve modifier to make the array circular. Increase the number in array modifier till it looks like round flower. Rotate the leaf in edit mode about 90 degrees. Now apply the array and curve modifier. Select the leaf, duplicate it by pressing Shift-D, scale it down and rotate it a little. Repeat the process 4 times. Now add a circle extruded on Z-axis in edit mode and make a sphere-like shape from it. So this is it for today's tutorial. Hope you have enjoyed it. Press the like, share and subscribe to keep connected and continue this 3D journey together.